In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts on Pipedrive, something that might seem straightforward but carries a lot of importance if you're looking to keep your CRM system clean and organized. Whether you're cleaning out outdated information or simply want to declutter your contact list, this guide will walk you through the process. First and foremost, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, the next step is to head over to the Contacts section. This is easily accessible from your dashboard. Pipedrive's interface is designed to be intuitive, making it a breeze to locate where your contacts are stored. The Contacts section is essentially the heart of your CRM system, holding all the valuable information about people your business interacts with. This is why cleaning out contacts that are no longer needed is so important. It ensures your workflow remains smooth and efficient. Now, let's dive into the task at hand, deciding which contacts need to be removed. Take your time to go through your contact list. Once you've identified those that should be deleted, simply click on the checkbox next to their name. It's really important to double-check your selections to prevent accidentally removing someone valuable from your list. Mistakes can usually be fixed, but it's always better to avoid them altogether, especially when dealing with critical data. With your contacts selected, the next step is to find the trash can icon. You'll see it right at the top of your screen. This icon is the key to tidying up your contact list. Clicking on it is a strong action, symbolizing your decision to remove these entries from your database. So, ensure that you're ready to take this step before you click. After you hit the trash can icon, Pipedrive will throw up a confirmation prompt. This is your final opportunity to either go ahead or cancel your decision. If you're certain about deleting these contacts, click on Delete to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've just learned how to delete contacts from your Pipedrive account. The process is not only straightforward, but it's also an essential part of keeping your CRM tidy and productive. By routinely reviewing and clearing out your Pipedrive contacts, you ensure that your CRM continues to operate effectively, helping you manage customer relationships in the best possible manner. Remember, a current and relevant contact list is crucial to running operations smoothly. This tutorial was crafted with the purpose of aiding you to achieve that, allowing you to concentrate on the more significant aspects of your business. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tips and tricks to maximize your Pipedrive experience.